Runner gunner. I like that. I'm looking to purchase my first property in Ohio. I'm in the process of getting pre-approval. What would my next step be? I do not have a property yet. I just know that I want to start in Ohio. Awesome. Where do you live that you are investing in Ohio? Also, thank you for your time and content. I just stumbled onto your channel a few days ago and it's gold. Thank you. Yeah, high praise. I appreciate that. So after you get pre-approved, I think it's just a matter of finding a property that you want to purchase, as simple as that sounds. I would really focus on the area. There's a lot of ways to make really good returns, and I would not look at an investment property as like a black and white rate of return and making your decision based on the amount of money it makes versus the expenses. I would really focus and concentrate on the area. Make sure that it is an area that you want to invest in. And I say that especially because in the single family home space, it's not like you're buying an apartment where you have 20, 30, 40 units in one swoop and you just care about that one building. Single family homes are a long-term investment. Okay, so you live in New York. Yeah, that makes sense. Single family homes are a long-term investment. They are something that you're going to have for 30 years is what the loan term is. So I would go ahead and plan for those 30 years and make sure that you are in a community that kind of resonates with you, that you want to see and help be a part of improving. I would not look at, one house and say, this is a good investment. I would want to then buy another house on that street, another house around the corner. And I am a fan of being very concentrated in an area to kind of help improve the community. Any sort of rundown home, rundown vacant lot, figure out, how you can improve that. Now, obviously, returns are very important. So definitely make sure that it's going to be a profitable venture for you. But I would place the community over the asset and probably the people over the community. And I think that's the appropriate method that you need to kind of think through this. I wouldn't set the goal at having one. I would set the goal at having 10 in that community. And I would say if you're not interested in having 10 in that area, then don't buy the one in that area. Yeah, I get that. Probably since Dayton, where I invest, has so many issues with vacant homes, that has probably shaped my opinion and how I'm answering this, because we have so much work that still needs to be done. And we need so much help in cleaning up this city that is how I view it. But, if you're like Lewis Porter Jr. and you are down in established areas of Florida, then maybe what I'm saying isn't as applicable. Or if you invest in Columbus, which is, light years ahead of Dayton or even Cincinnati, where, they don't necessarily have the same issues with a significant number of vacant homes, maybe this might not be so applicable. Maybe you can just look broad strokes at neighborhoods and what those neighborhoods are like, how they're trending, and just be a part of a neighborhood and not necessarily an active role in cleaning things up, because there might not be anything to clean up.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.